RDDT Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at RDDT stock, good 183. I mean, it's a 32 billion stocks, you know, it's come on, it's Reddit market cap. And if I look at it from this perspective, you will have to understand that, I mean, I think I was long all throughout the way. Yes, coming back here, because I have two different charts, you know, my officials here. But ultimately, this is the previous video. Yeah, here it is. This was made a month ago. Almost 2, I think.
As long as there's like a pullback inside my area or something like that. Anything else actually is going to be completely low. So that's how RDDT looks like to me. With the rules of methanol now.
Right. That's there. I'm actually still quite long on this. Although the price is just delivering and delivering. There might be like a bigger retracement coming soon. I'd rather just be correct all the time and be wrong once when it actually crashes, rather than just trying to catch these on the short side, you know. So if the price does give me like a shift, then and only then I'll pick things up. Other than that, everything else is noise. So if you do want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.